Did you know that over 70% of digital nomads report feeling more productive while working abroad? That's the beauty of this lifestyle, freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Managing work-life balance can be tricky when your office is a beach cafe or a bustling co-working space. Choosing the right accommodations is crucial. A noisy hostel can ruin your focus. And let's not forget the challenge of navigating new cultures. What works at home might not fly elsewhere. I've made my share of mistakes. Overpacking is a common pitfall. You don't need 5 pairs of shoes for a month-long trip. Failing to research your destination can lead to unpleasant surprises, like unexpected weather or local customs that catch you off guard. Be aware of local food habits and customs. You may find yourself starving at times. Remember, planning is key, but so is adaptability. Embrace the journey, learn from your missteps, and thrive in the adventure of being a digital nomad.